our stainless steel table with overdeck shelf. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 60 inches. A depth 30 inches. And a height of 66.25 inches tall. Minus the shelf for the table, we have 34.25 inches tall. Height of the shelf only, 32 inches tall. Coming to the top is the overdeck shelf, and the depth for the overdeck shelf will include 12 inches. 12 inches applies to the top and bottom shelf. The distance between the top and bottom, we have 18.5 inches. Distance from the middle to the bottom table, we have 11.5 inches. Coming to the bottom will be additional shelf for storage. And the measurements for the bottom shelf, we have 53.25 inches in length by 22 inches in depth. Overdeck shelf can be mounted on the table with rivets located on the left and right 2 corners. Located on the left will be the NSF sticker for the table and for the overdeck shelf. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.